What brought me to balanced physical therapy? December, I had a torn rotator cuff. So I came here for some rehab to try to get strength back, totally to avoid surgery. So that was the plan. That was much better. With the torn rotator cuff, it's hard to tie your shoes, dry your back, reach for something on the shelf, any of those things. And I find myself now doing it without thinking about it, which is a huge improvement. I'd say my biggest surprise is I've always been fairly active, so you think you're fit until somebody shows you a different move that you haven't done before, and you go, hey, I have a little weakness right there. So it's exposed to a lot of those kind of things, and those are probably the things that lead to the injury, right? Is the little weak spots. So I'm happy to say that those are coming along, slowly, but they're getting there. Yeah, the message I would give someone today for trying physical therapy is you have nothing to lose. And it also speaks to perhaps a little bit of discipline and make yourself do something when you have to answer to somebody to show up for an appointment and listen to your coach/trainer/physical therapist as to what to do and how to do it and how often, and not phone it in. And you'll see gains, you'll see improvement. You'll either get better or you'll know what the next step is.